Hi, compliments of the season from me to you. I enjoy your holiday. I hope everywhere is hot. I hope you are feeling the hotness. If you are not, please go outside. Step out and feel that hot. Everywhere is breezing. I can feel it from inside my room self. Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today your first time stopping by, please don't make it your last by hitting the subscription button and turn on notification bell to get notified when I post new videos online. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make our cord from scratch, how to make your cord from scratch and attaching it to your garments, your dresses to make it look beautiful and unique. We have 3 methods that I'm going to teach you today on how to attach this cord. So if that's something you're so much interested in, please watch the video to the end. Do not skip any parts. Every part, every detail is very, very important. So please do not skip any parts. Watch till the end and then whatever you think in the comment section, what you want me to improve on, maybe my editing skills, my introduction, whatever you want me to improve on, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section and share my video. Subscribe, please don't forget. Subscribe, like, and that's all you can do for me, and I'll bring you more and more helpful tutorials. Okay, so let's dive into the video right now. So the first thing you are going to do is to flip your material in a bias form, like a triangular shape. That's how to cut in bias form. So I'm going to dress mine like that, flip it like that to make sure it is straight. Then I'll place my tape measurement on it and measure out 1.25. So by the time I open it up, I'll have 2.5 in total. So I'm just marking out 1.25, and I'm going to use my ruler to rule a straight line. Just follow up what I'm doing, then I'll cut that straight line that I ruled already. Please pay attention to every step I am taking. Now, why you are cutting in bias form is for it to be stretchy, that when you want to turn it inside out, it will be easy for you. If that piece is not enough for you, you can as well place your tape measurement. As you can see, this is 2.5 inches. Place 2.5 inches on the other one, the remaining fabric, and cut in that straight form, in a bias form, until you get to the length you want to work with or you are willing to work with. But make sure it is 2.5 as if you open it up like this. But if it is in that triangular form, the first cutting should be 1.25. So you keep on doing that till you exhaust your material or you get to the length you want to work with. Now I'm going to work with this because this is just an illustration. So with this, I'm going to go to my sewing machine now and make 0.25 stitching. I'm going to use my tape rule to make sure I'm on a straight line. So if you don't know 0.25 while sewing, place your tape rule while you are making the stitches so that you will be able to get the exact 0.25. Then I'm going to trim off that place and make a notch. I'm going to make a notch this area. Yeah, now don't cut the thread, just make a notch. Then you're going to use this. There's nothing you cannot use as a designer to sew. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to put it in this way. Just watch what I'm doing. Put both of them inside, and I'm going to gently and patiently bring out, make sure it's passed through the 0.25 and bring it out. So this will pass out very, very easy because we cut it in bias form. So I'm going to trim off that excess. Now, stitching it or attaching it to your fabric, create your design. Any pattern you want to work with, create it first. That's the pattern you are going to follow. Now, the first method is using glue. You can use glue to attach it to your dress. You apply glue on your design, the design you've made already. You can apply glue on it, then place your cord on top of it that way. So you also attach glue to it, place it like that, and it will hold it to the fabric. That's if you want to go with the gluing method. This is how to go about it. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. So this is the first method of applying your cord onto your garment using the glue. Then we're going to the second method, which is stitching it on your fabric. So there is this, you can use it to create designs. I have this one now as an example of a design you can make with stitching your cord on your fabric. As you can see, there are differences. Then the last one, which is hand tacking, I'm going to extend that because I have a little bit of my cord remaining. I'm going to hand tack it and show you how I do it. So I'm using a different colored of thread to hand tack it. So you're going to get a bit from your fabric, then put it inside your cord like that and bring it out just like that, and you will not see it anywhere around. Even though I'm using a colored thread, but you cannot see it anywhere around. So just follow the line just like I'm doing. Put it inside the cord, make sure it passes through the cord, and you bring it out. You continue doing that until you finish hand tacking it. Then you fasten the thread. So these are the three methods. Which one do you think is okay, or which one would you prefer to use when attaching your cord to your garments? To me, I prefer the hand tacking. I so much love it because it comes out very neat. See you guys in my next video. Thank you and bye.